Welcome to the overview for the TCS3000 electronic register. Today we will review the basic operations, functions, and features of the TCS3000 electronic register, including the alphanumeric keypad, accessing the menus, and the multiple delivery screen options. The first thing that we will cover today is the power indicator light. The power indicator light is a green flashing light located between the start and the stop key on the right hand side of the register. The power indicator light will begin flashing as soon as the register recognizes power coming in. The TCS3000 is equipped with an alphanumeric keypad. This keypad ensures that it's easy to enter both letters and numbers within the same field. In order to enter a number, you just push the number key that corresponds. In order to enter a letter, you would push and hold down the shift key and push the number key with the letter you like the appropriate amount of times. So if you'd like to enter an O, you'd push and hold the shift key and push the 6 button 3 times, as O is the third letter on the key. The TCS3000 keyboard also features 4 directional keys. These keys are located at 2, 6, 8, and 4. The directional keys make it easy to navigate the menu. The alphanumeric keyboard also features keys for a print button, which would allow you to reprint a ticket very easily, a preset key, which would allow you to make a preset delivery, the start enter button, which will start the delivery or make the selection, the stop cancel key would either stop the delivery or cancel the selection. In order to access the system menu on the TCS3000, there is a simple key combination to pull up the menu. By pushing and holding the shift button and the mode button down simultaneously, it accesses the menu. From here you can begin a delivery, show your last delivery, begin or end a shift, print a duplicate ticket, or reprint a ticket. The TCS3000 has onboard memory to ensure that there is never a loss of tickets in the event of a communication failure. We can scroll down using the navigational down arrow down to the system menu. If we select the system menu, this will take us to the main menu on the TCS3000. From the main menu, we can view reports, view the system settings, the weights and measures settings, product settings, or advanced functions. If we select the reports, in the reports menu we can show our prover status, print the prover ticket, view the meter info, or the version info. If we were to scroll down to the meter info, this will display the data from the meter and the register. The data displayed is the truck ID, the register ID, the make, the model, and the version of the meter, as well as the serial number. This information protects you against any kind of wear to the nameplate or the serial plate on the register or the meter. Under the version info is where you're going to be able to view the information based on the electronics in the register. Here it will show you your software and your firmware. This is important information just in case there's ever any troubleshooting that needs to happen. We will need to know the software and firmware that the register is on so we can properly diagnose what issues you're having. By accessing the system settings, you can view the display settings, which would include the delivery screen options and the brightness of the display, the printer settings, which is where you can choose what kind of printer you would like to use, or enable or disable the printer. Under regional settings is where you can set the time and the date. The delivery settings would be the display precision, so whether you want to display whole gallons, tenths gallons, hundredths gallons. The preset settings, and you can customize your ticket setup. The W&M settings is only accessible by removing the calibration cover and backing out the calibration screw. Under the weights and measures settings, you can add, remove, or change a product. This is also where you need to go to calibrate a product. The TCS3000 has 3 fully customizable delivery screen options. To cycle through the 3 delivery screens, at any time simply press the mode button and that will rotate through the 3 delivery screen options. Every field is 100% customizable to ensure that your proper data is displayed during and after delivery. The standard display is the one that is shown currently. It offers the large print font to ensure that you can see it clearly, regardless of where you stand by the register. This concludes the overview for the TCS3000 electronic register.